It's not a very cheap thing to lose like
Yeah.
that. So right now we want to check in with meteorologist Rob Elving. Talk about that forecast this week.
And Rob, we know that it's more of a typical May type day out here today, at least for Alabama.
Yes, it's warm out there. It's a bit muggy, but we are tracking a little bit of drier air moving in, so that's going to improve conditions in terms of the storm threat here for your Wednesday afternoon and evening. You'll also notice as we look off to the east on our Decatur Skycam, a little hazy out there. Temperatures right now right around 79 degrees, a few spots already up into the low 80s. North winds at about 3 miles per hour, and we do have air quality levels right now in the moderate range. Not terrible, but in the moderate range. So you may want to limit your time outdoors a little bit. And that's actually due to the smoke coming from those big wildfires burning in New Mexico. So we're getting some of these bigger plumes moving in over the last few days. Thankfully, this should be pushed off to our south here through the rest of today. So some improvements in the air quality, but again, a little hazy out there. Other than that, it's pretty quiet right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. You'll notice a little bit of cloud cover moving in from out of the north. That's behind this morning's cold front. Our cold front's actually being sagged off to the south, getting pushed off to the south, and that's going to limit the rain and storm chances here for your Wednesday afternoon. So keeping those chances at about 10% around 3, 4, 5 o'clock here today. Temperatures climbing up to the low 80s, about 3 to 4 degrees warmer than right now. How about the winds? You'll notice the winds are from out of the northwest. So again, we're on that cooler side of the cold front, bringing in some of that drier, more stable air. And we'll continue to see some of those northwest winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour through this afternoon. May need it though with those temperatures here in the low to mid 80s. Looks like the trash banners should be fine for Star Wars night. May the 4th be with you. Temperatures near 80 at that first pitch at 6:35. Right around the 7th inning, 71 degrees. And again, mostly dry conditions for the game this evening. How about tomorrow? Just a slight uptick in rain chances and also an uptick in the temperatures. Look at that, 87 degrees by 4 o'clock. Do not think we'll hit 90, but still very warm for your Thursday afternoon. But what we're keeping a closer eye on will be Friday morning and into the early afternoon hours. That's when we have that better chance for severe weather. Putting that gusty wind, damaging wind threat right at the high end of low, right close to the moderate range. Tornadoes, very low chance, but still a possibility. And of course, some heavy rain with any stronger thunderstorms that move through the area. So here's a look at future radar. This is 4 o'clock this afternoon. And one big takeaway for today, if we're going to see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms, by far the best chances will be to the south of the Tennessee River. We can see some of that activity developing mostly to our south. Then we head into your Thursday morning. This is 7:30, dry conditions, some passing clouds. And then we're still not seeing a whole lot of activity developing through your Thursday afternoon. This is 4 o'clock tomorrow. Maybe a few pop-up showers and storms, but mostly dry conditions. Then we head through late tomorrow night and into Friday morning. This is 1 a.m. on Friday morning. Got a cluster of thunderstorms racing in from out of the southwest, moving through the area. This would likely not be the strong to severe threat. That's out ahead of the main cold front. The question is, on Friday morning, once the sun comes up, do we get a second round of storms developing with the actual cold front? This particular model says no, but some of the data does indicate that we could be tracking a second round of storms right around the late morning hours and into the early afternoon. That's just something we're going to have to watch through the next 48 hours. So there's look at your 7-day forecast. Once that cold front comes through on Friday, look at the drop in temperatures. A high of 76 degrees on Saturday, 20% chance for some showers and storms. So just about every single day, we're fine for the trash panics out at Toyota Field because that threat ends early Friday afternoon. And then on Mother's Day on Sunday, we're tracking highs in the low 80s. And then we start to warm up. I think if we're going to hit 90 for the first time in 2022, it's either going to come Tuesday and then into Wednesday. So we are tracking some serious heat building in for May here in North Alabama. Back to you.
Rob, thank you so much.